Hi there everyone! Today we are making a microwave milk brownie. It takes just 6 minutes to make. Perfect for a quick dessert when you're craving something sweet. In a small microwave bowl, add 1 tablespoon of salted butter and melt in the microwave. Next, add 3 tablespoons of granulated sugar and 1/4 cup of buttermilk and stir well. Then add 4 tablespoons of all-purpose flour and 2 tablespoons of unsweetened cocoa powder, mixing everything well until smooth. Transfer the butter in a microwave-safe ceramic mug. Place the mug in the microwave and cook on high about 2 minutes. This cook time is based on my 750 watts microwave, so your timing might vary. Carefully remove the mug from the microwave and let stand until it's cool enough to eat. I love to serve this brownie with melted chocolate, but feel free to add any of your favorite toppings.